Welcome all. In this session, we are going to learn how to make a table of bigger two-digit number. So in this video, we will learn how to make a table of 47. To make a table of 47, first write two tables. Write table of 4 and write table of 7. So here we have written a table of 4 and here we have written a table of 7. Now whenever we are making a table, what we do? First make all two digits, like it put 0 over here. So it is 04, it is 07. So how we do? 47 ones are 47. Now see here. So write 4 as it is. Add these two numbers. 8 plus 1, 9. So 47 twos are 94. Now here write this number as it is. Now add these two numbers. 4. Write this number as it is. So 47 threes are. Here also what you do? Write 8 as it is. Add these two numbers. So 6 plus 2, 8. Write this number as it is. Here also what we do? We write 5 as it is. So we add these two digits. So 3 plus 0, 3. Write this digit as it is. Now here, so what we do? We write this digit as it is. Add these two digits. So 4 plus 4, 8. Write this digit as it is. Here also what we do? We write 9 as it is. Now add these two digits. So 8 plus 4, 12. Now there is one carry over. Add this carry over to this number. So 2 plus 1, 3. Now here what we do? We again write this digit as it is. So 8 is as it is. Now add these two digits. So 5 plus 2, 7. Write this digit as it is. Now here also what we do? We write this digit as it is. So 3. Now add these two digits. So 6 plus 6, 12. 1 carry over. Add this carry over to this 3. So 3 plus 1, 4. And the last is 0, 7, 4. So this is how we have made two-digit table of 47. Now the same way we can make a table of 69. How to make a table of 69? Now we have learned the tactics. How to make a table of 69. So first write a table of 6, then write a table of 9, which we have done over here. And now make these two digits, putting 0 over here. So how we write? 69, 69. 69 twos are. Write this digit as it is. Add these two digits as add 1. So here what we do? We write 7 as it is. We add these two digits. So 8 plus 2, 10. Write 0. 1 carry over. So 1 plus 1, 2. Here what we do? We write this digit as it is. We add these two. Okay. And this digit as it is. Here what we do? We write this digit as it is. We add these two digits. And we write this digit as it is. Here what we do? We write 4 as it is. We add these two. Now 6 plus 5, 11. So write only 1 and 1 carry over. So 3 plus 1, 4. Here what we do? We write 3 as it is. We add these two digits. So 6 plus 2, 8. We write this digit as it is. Here also what we do? We write 2 as it is. Now here we add these two. So 8 plus 7, how much? 15. So 15, 5, 1 carry over. 4 plus 1, 5. Now here what we do? We write 1 as it is. We write 8 plus 4, 12. So write only 2. 1 carry over. 5 plus 1, 6. And 69 are 6. 69 10s are 6. So our table of 69 is ready. I hope you have understood this, how to make table. So now as a homework, make a table of 73. Bye bye. See you in another video.